Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much. Today's video, I have an unboxing video, so let's get into it. Yay! So this is my Grove Collaborative box. It came the other day, and I love Grove Collaborative. I've been shopping with them now probably a little over a year, and they have some of my most favorite products ever they carry. But I did try a few new things with this order, so I'm just gonna open it up and let you see what I have. In the comment section, let me know, are you a Grove Collaborative member, VIP member? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Have you ever tried it before? Love it. I don't have to go in the store to shop. I get free shipping, and they every now and then, depending on how big your order is, you get free stuff. So I just love it, and I don't have to worry about the products not being organic, so it's all safe. Also, the products clean really well, and if you know me, you know I love essential oils, so that's in most of the products that I order. This is a very small order in comparison to what I normally get, but I just wanted to try a few new things that I hadn't tried before, and then just a reorder of something that I ran out of. So anyways, let's get into it. First thing I got was, my Antibac. I love this stuff. It smells really nice, and again, I can spray it down while I'm cooking, because I'm just crazy like that. Like when I'm cooking chicken, it's like I'm like obsessed over like not getting germs or anything like that. So this is a really good one, and this is the bamboo fragrance. They have 2 or 3 other ones, but I tend to like this one the most in the spring and summer, and because it's coming up, I wanted to re-up on that. And what else do we have here? Another Antibac product. This one is for the bathroom, and it's just a toilet cleaner. Now, I will say that this is when I'm doing light cleaning, like an everyday, or it's not a heavy duty germ killer in my opinion. I'm a bleach girl, so I bleach first and then I use this because it smells nice and it says it kills germs. I don't see why it won't. But like, I grew up like bleach, like I gotta kill stuff. But they smell really nice, and you see how they package everything so you really don't have to worry about it spilling out. Like, I've never had like a box come in that was like damaged or anything. And y'all, let me just give you a disclaimer on my nails. I already know, girl, I was trying to not get them done because this is this complete sidebar, but let me tell you this. I've been going to get my nails done faithfully for a number of years. I stop and I go back, and I stop and I go back. But the last time I went, it kind of freaked me out because the technician was like, you know, put your nail under the light, and if it starts to burn, when it starts to burn, take it out. So I was just like, It made me think about when I used to relax my hair, and we know what we found out about that. I'm not a natural hair Nazi, so we're not doing that. I'm just saying. But it made me like really like, why is this light gonna burn my nail? And it just gave me a bad feeling. So I was like, you know what? I need to try to do something with these nails. But I'm struggling. So I may just start getting manicures. I haven't decided yet, but me doing my own nails is not an option because they're a hot mess. I painted these like 2 days ago and they are a hot mess already. So sidebar, let's get back into Grove Collaborative. I hope I didn't distract you too much. Okay, so again, this is a very small unboxing. Oh, and I did get these method wipes are really, really handy. Let me see if you can see that. These are all purpose, and I like having these for those quick wipes, like the powder room, you know, the sinks in there, or like even on my marble table here, or just a quick wipe down of something. And I love using these on my door handles. Like, you know how when I don't know why door handles get sticky, like I don't understand, but these are great on that. So I just wanted to re-up on those. Now I have not smelled this one. I typically get the grapefruit. Yep, I thought it would go well with the bamboo. They blend nicely together. I always try to think about that when I order, because I don't want my house to smell all weird. And then just another room freshener, which we only use air fresheners in the bathrooms. They are not allowed in any other space in the house, period. Like nowhere. And I'll tell you why. Because I sold furniture years ago, and it was high-end furniture. And we had a class or something, and somehow ended up a carpet person came in, and he was telling us one of the quickest ways to damage any type of flooring, whether it be carpet or hardwood, is air fresheners. And because the chemicals, like we're spraying in the air, it's landing on your floors, and over time it just wears it out. And especially in like a carpeted area, because you spray the room freshener, well, this is organic, but I still don't want to risk it. But if you spray like those aerosol things in the air, it lands on your carpet, you start walking on it, that floor is damp. So you're actually tracking that dampness down into your carpet. Like, did you know that? Did you use air fresheners like that? Or yeah, did you just learn something there? Because I did. I was like, I never thought about that. But yeah, so we only use these, and that's why I get the small ones. We only use them in our bathrooms because, you know. But yeah, so we get these, and I needed one for the powder room. I have other ones in the other bathrooms, but yeah, so just another room freshener. And these are organic, so they aren't as harsh, but any kind of moisture that you spray has to come down. So I can wipe it up in the bathroom pretty quickly, and that's a smaller space, so I'm not so concerned. But I've noticed a huge difference in the wear and tear on my carpet and my flooring by just avoiding using aerosol sprays. Who knew, right? So the last few things in this unboxing, this is a bottle cleaner, and that's the thing too I like about Grove Collaborative. It's just like going to Target, except it's all online, and you know it's all organic. So this is just a bottle cleanser cleaner, and I like it. It's better than those spongy ones that you get, in my opinion, and it really does keep your glasses nice and crystal clear. So I really like this thing here. And then I think, yep, the last thing is dishwasher gel. And I got this one from them. Typically, honestly, it's cheaper in Target for the larger size. But because I was placing this order, I just was like, let me just throw it in the cart. That way I don't have to worry about going in the store. But honestly, I love 7th generation dishwasher detergent. It cleans really well. And I just feel like, I don't know, my stuff just seems squeaky clean, honestly. I mean, I do wash dishes before I put them in the dishwasher. But these still works better than anything I've used. So yeah, so that's that. And that was my complete order this month. Well, this week, because I will probably be ordering again. But I'm pretty well stocked. I'll do another video showing you my favorite products that I use to clean the entire house, because this is nothing. This was just like a little quick, let me re-up on a few things. But I do have an extensive line of products. I'm kind of a cleaning product junkie, if you will. But everything I buy, I use, and I love it. And if I like it, I'm going to keep getting it. So Grove Collaborative has been great for me. If you've never tried it, let me know. I could put my link down for you to get some free products, which is another reason I joined. I think I saw another YouTuber and I was able to get free products. So, and I've been hooked ever since. So it is a good way to get used to the process. And this is not an ad, it's not sponsored or anything like that. But another thing that I did like about Grove Collaborative is you get like a personal attendant, and she will email you and text you before your order is processed to say, hey girl, if your money is not in your account, you need to go ahead and put it in there because we're gonna process your order in a few days. So I love it because sometimes also if you have stuff in your cart, you're like, oh shoot, I need a few things, but not everything that's in there. So it gives you an opportunity to go remove stuff from your cart. You can skip every month in a row if you've just been stocked up, but it keeps your account status really good. So I just love it. I mean, I just think it's just a great business. I did notice that I think Target has got wind of this, because I just recently read that Target is now doing a cleaning product shipped to your house next day kind of thing. So I'm pretty sure they've been paying attention to all the hoopla and the hype around Grove Collaborative because it works. I love Target, absolutely love Target, but I honestly don't go there for my cleaning products. Is that crazy? I like to go touch stuff and smell candles and check the clearance aisle, but rarely do I just go in Target for cleaning products. So I'm not losing out on my Target fix. But these are things I don't have to worry about. They're just gonna show up. We budget for it. My husband knows pretty much like every 3 months is gonna be a big haul, and like a small order like this may be coming every now and then. So yeah, that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know each and every time I post a video. So that's it. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section about your experience with Grove Collaborative. Okay, thank you so much, and until next time, I see you later.